Okay, you can start now. Okay, berapa lama? How long? Okay, 2 minutes. Okay, so did you apply the methods? Did you apply the method? Metodenya diperhatikan nggak? Tanpa kita sadari, sometimes we don't realize that we have applied the methods, but we don't know whether we have applied or not. Okay, okay, so that's the way to do scanning. So this is just the simple one. This is just the simple one. Okay, maybe for the next time, maybe in the exam you need to face, or uh, you will find the long essay or the long paragraph like that. But try to start from the small things. Jadi mulai dari hal-hal yang kecil. And then if you are able to do the small things, jika kalian mampu melakukan hal-hal yang kecil, I believe that you will be accustomed and you will be able to do the biggest one. Okay. Okay, now scanning practice 2. Okay, we need to read the instruction first. Here some information you are looking for on the Busy Hydro website. Okay, read the questions and then on the next slide find the answer as quickly as possible. Okay, so this is the question: who is handling inquiries? Jadi coba ditulis pertanyaannya yang tiga ini. Please write down the three questions on your book, di bukumu. And then what is the after hours media line? And then what is good example of busy hydro clean energy project? Okay, so you need to write down this question first. Write down, please. Already, and then all of you already? Okay, good. Okay, so these are the text. Okay, wait, I have to. Oh, no, 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 no. Wait. Two. Wait a moment. Okay? Okay. Okay, now you can start. For the first, you need to write down starting time, finishing time, and scanning time. ready? Okay. You will answer number 1. Okay. Okay, you may try. Go on. Okay, read the question first. Read the question first. Who is who is handling inquiries, right? Number 1. Gimana? That's number 2. Okay, who wants to answer number 1? Okay, Mastri, number 2. Number 1. Okay, you may speak out. Okay. Okay. Go on, just go on. Handling. Okay. Inquires. Okay. Inquires. Okay. 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 Okay, you keep your answer ya. Kalian disimpan dulu jawabannya. You keep your answer. And then number 2. Who is the after hours media line? What is not who is? What is the after hours media line? Kalau who itu menanyakan orang, Mas. Okay. Number Okay. Okay, number 2. What is the after? Okay, go on. Okay. Okay, listen to me. What is the after hours media line? What is the after hours media line? Okay, jadi ada seperti ini. Kalau membaca, ada pertanyaan. Wait, I need to tell you this one. Okay. Jadi kalau misalnya diawali dengan is, am, are, do, does, did, will, ini namanya kan kata kerja bantu. Jadi kalau pertanyaan, if the question, jadi kalau pertanyaan diawali dengan ini, jadi seperti ini. Misalnya, are you a student? Are you a student? Jadi, are you a student? Different from this one. Kalau yang seperti ini, what is the after hours media line? What is the after hours media line? Kalau di sini, are you a student? Are you a student? Here, di sini dia agak flat. What is the after hours media line? Who is handling inquiries? What is a good example of busy hydro clean energy project? Jadi dia who is handling inquiries? Are you a student? So you have to know how to read, okay? Okay, jadi tidak sama membaca jika ini diawali oleh auxiliary, ini namanya WH question, right? Ada who, what, where, WH question. Ada who, what, where, when, and how. Different, jadi berbeda cara membaca pertanyaan yang dimulai WH question dengan pertanyaan yang dimulai to be dan auxiliary verb, kata kerja bantu. Okay, you get it? Okay, coba buat satu contoh pertanyaan yang dimulai dengan to be atau auxiliary, kata kerja bantu. Once again, I can't hear your voice. I Are you know? No. Did you mean like this? Did you mean are you no? Did you mean this one? Oh, this wrong. Ini strukturnya salah. This is to be, right? To be. This is verb. Okay? This is verb. Jadi di sini harus pakai. Jadi you have to remember kata jadi di sini pakai apa di sini? Pakai do. Oh iya, do you know or did you know? We can choose did or do. If you refers to the past, you need to use did. Okay? If you refers to the present, you use do. Okay, you get it right? Okay. Once again. Okay. What? Do you know? Jangan dibacakannya. Okay. No need to read the K, ya. Do you know? Okay, good. This one. Okay, coba dibaca nomor satu. Number one. Number one, this one. This one. Who is handling inquires? Who is handling inquires? What is the after hours media line? What is a good example of busy hydro clean energy project? Are you a student? Are you a teacher? Do you know the answer? Did you see me? Did you see her? Okay. Okay. Okay, good. Number two. What is the answer? What is the after hours no. What is the after hours media line? Okay. Jadi agak rata agak datar. What is the after hours media line? Jadi question marknya nampaknya kedengarannya di WH questionnya. What is the after hours media line? Itu kalau pakai WH question. Who are you? You remember who are you, something like that. Not who are you, not like that, right? Udah pernah dengar itu bilang who are you, right? Jadi who are you, not who are you. Tetapi kalau pakai itu, are you a student? Is it you? Okay. Yeah, okay. So go on, lanjutkan. Okay, good. Okay, you keep your answer, yeah? You keep your answer. Okay, now number 3. Who wants to try number 3? Okay, who wants to try number 3? Nobody? Oh, pertanyaannya ya. Oh, this one. Okay, go on. What is? Baca dulu pertanyaannya. What is? You read. Okay. Yeah, once again, Mas3, once again, what is? Example, okay? Example. Oh iya. Jadi dia fonetik transkripsinya seperti ini. Dia pakai the G, huruf G. Example, oke? Ya, example. Oke. Iya, oke. Hydro Clean Energy Project. Okay, good. So what is the answer? So what is the answer? Okay. Okay, you keep your answer. Okay, now let's see the answer. So this correct, and the answer number 3 is this one. Okay, good. So I want to ask you, how long did you need to scan? How long? Berapa lama butuhnya scan ini tadi? Okay, that's good. Okay. Okay, so that's about scanning. So I hope that you understand what scanning is. Okay, I hope you understand what scanning is. So what scanning is. What scanning is. And okay. What is scanning? Do you know the difference between this one and the second? Siapa yang tahu perbedaannya? This one and this one. Who knows? Siapa yang lagi yang bisa? Okay, kasih dulu pendapatnya. Give your idea. Okay, give your opinion. Okay. Yeah, what is the difference? No. What is the difference? Apa perbedaan yang kedua ini? What is the difference between the first and the second? Okay. Yang lain? Oke, bagus. Oke, siapa lagi yang mau menambahkan? Oke, try to speak. Try to give your opinion. This is the way of you to practice or to give your opinion. Okay, I want to tell you what scanning is. Itu adalah pernyataan. This is pertanyaan. Okay, so this is pernyataan. Ini pertanyaan. Okay, do you know? Gak mengerti? Jadi ini biasanya bisa digabungkan dengan kalimat pertanyaan. Itu namanya embedded question. Misalnya menambahkan saja, misalnya, do you know what scanning is? Do you know what scanning is? Okay. Do you know what scanning is? Kenapa? Ini namanya pernyataan, ini pertanyaan. Okay. Kalau pertanyaan, auxiliary di depan. Ini pernyataan di belakang, sama dengan misalnya exclamation. Have you ever about exclamation? What how beautiful today is. How pernah pernah dengar ini? How beautiful you are. Have you ever heard this sentence, right? Oke, ini namanya pernyataan. Baru ini namanya embedded question. Jadi embedded question itu antara pertanyaan dan pernyataan digabungkan, embedded, dimasukkan. Oke. Ya, ini ada just the way you are. Oke. What is scanning? Ini pertanyaan. Okay, do you get it? Do you know? Apa? Ini namanya embedded questions. Embedded. Okay. Embedded questions. Jadi kenapa disebut embedded question? Karena pernyataan ini dimasukkan ke dalam pertanyaan, disatukan, di embed, dia dimasukkan. Oke, itu namanya embedded questions. Oke, ini namanya embedded questions. Ini namanya pertanyaan atau questions. Ini namanya pernyataan. Ini namanya, kalau misalnya Miss cuma mau nambahin aja ya. Jadi biar kalian bisa membedakan gimana membaca. Jadi reading itu bukan hanya, it's not talking about pronunciation, it's not talking about the meaning, or it's not talking about how to get main idea. So reading covers all. So reading itu mengcover segalanya biar kalian bisa mengerti. Oke. Jadi dalam reading juga kalian harus membuat pertanyaan kan. Jadi kalian juga perlu juga mengetahui bentuk atau cara membuat pertanyaan atau cara membuat embedded questions. Ini adalah bagian dari reading juga. Okay? Next, maybe if you have time, we will continue to discuss about this. Okay? I think that's all about scanning. Okay, now we continue to module 3. Okay, module 3 is talking about guessing what's meaning. Okay, please open your book, module 3. Open your book, module 3. It's so noisy. Coba di mute dulu. Okay, good. Okay, open your book, module 3. Okay, guessing words meanings. Okay, so in guessing words meaning, namanya juga guess itu menebak. Guessing, menebak, berarti kalau misalnya guess itu menebak sesuatu yang belum kita ketahui atau yang belum pernah kita jumpai. Jadi in module 3 we will be trained, kita akan dilatih to guess the new things, menebak hal-hal yang baru, hal-hal yang belum pernah kalian jumpai, and how the way to guess, bagaimana caranya untuk menebak. So guessing word meaning is one of skills in reading. Jadi guessing word meaning ini adalah salah satu juga keterampilan dalam membaca. Or sometimes it is called, kadang-kadang disebut dengan word attack skills. Okay. So this is the topics. Guessing the meanings of words or guessing words meanings. They are similar, okay? You don't need to be confused. Guessing the meaning of words is the best strategy when you are reading. So guessing the meaning of a word or guessing word's meaning is the best strategy, the best when you are reading. Why guessing the meanings of word is the best strategy? First, it is fast since you don't have to interrupt your reading. It helps your comprehension because you stay focused on the general sense of what you are reading. The third is have built vocabulary because you are more likely to remember the words. The fourth, it allows you to enjoy your reading more because you don't have to stop then. So, uh, you need to comprehend, to understand this by your own words. Okay, let's continue to make you understand how to guess the meanings of words. Bagaimana caranya menebak? So, tadi Miss bilang kan, dalam modul ini kita akan dilatih untuk menebak dan bagaimana menebak, how to guess. First, often you can find related ideas the context, that is the text or sentence that contain the word. Sering kita menemukan ide yang berhubungan dengan konteks. Okay? Dan yang kedua, sometimes you have to read several sentences to guess the meaning of the word. Kadang-kadang you have to read, kalian harus membaca several sentences, beberapa kalimat, to guess the meaning of the word, untuk menebak makna suatu kata. The third, some words are not important. Beberapa kata tidak begitu penting, and you can understand main idea of paragraph without them. Dan kalian bisa memahami ide pokok dari paragraf tanpa kalian harus mengerti some words ini, beberapa kata ini. So these are the ways to guess the meanings of a words. Okay, you need to practice this one, apply this one. Okay, so first we are going to discuss about systematic guessing. Okay, in systematic guessing we are going to try to guess the words in the following paragraph. Okay, who wants to try? Who wants to try? Who wants to try? Nobody wants to try? Okay, you read this one. Read. Okay, go on. Yeah, just read. First, just read, and then the second, you need to fill the space. Okay. Okay, good. Pop. Pakai pop gitu. Okay, go on. Twice, twice, twice. Okay, good. Okay. 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 Okay, now you fill the blank. You fill the space. Okay, stop. Okay, so here, do you blank 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 the large orange shopping cart into Price Mart parking lot? So you say that here push, right? How do you know? Is there any clue here? Do you find clue in this sentence? Apakah kamu menemukan clue, kata petunjuk dalam kalimat ini? So where, if you find, if your answer is yes, show us the clue. Which one?